Alright, YouTubers. So my 10 solar panels arrived. I'm just about to open the packaging. So these are like 10 panels rated 250 watts. And then so up there I've been putting up the struts. uh, I will install that. I don't know if I could put like I don't know, 6 7, including that blank space on the left side, that one. So we'll have another next video of this. uh, I have to try to measure this, and of course I have to buy the hardwares for the installation. Alright, so I'm gonna do some measurements, and in the coming days I will install those, I don't know, 6 and or 7 panels, and then the or I don't know, I might install and remove those 2 panels. So I don't know, it might be like 9 panels uh, of or 6 panels, I guess. Yeah, 6 panels, and then I will figure out how to add more, the remaining 4 panels somewhere up there. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.